Today we're going to be looking at the Bill of Rights of our HTTP lab in assignment 6. We're going to be answering 12 to 13 to 14 to 15, and then we're done. So let's open the website that we're using. Yes. Where's the URL? We're going to be using the URL over here. No, that's the wrong one. We're going to be using this URL. And we're going to be answering the questions here. Alright, we have a URL open. And here's all the amendment rights, all 10. Let's open our Wireshark. Now, we've already started our packet and we already started. And here's all the HTTP language. Now, for question 12, how many HTTP GET request method did you browse in? Which packet number in the trains the GET method for the Bill of Rights? As you can see, GET message. We're going to be knowing these two. I think they don't count. So we got one message. The packet number is 42. So we write that down. Let's go to number 13. Which packet number in the trade contains the status code for your solely will respond to the HT GET request? Hold on. Yeah, so let's open a Wireshark for number 13. And the packet number is 45 for our response message from the GET request. So we want the status code to find the response. So, okay, let's open Wireshark. So we open our hypertext transfer protocol. We open it here to look at the response. Our status code is 200 and the response phrase is okay. So we write down how many data containing TCP we need to carry the single HTTP response and the text of it. Alright, so let's look at Wireshark. As you can see here, there are now any TCP segments. So basically, we write there are no data containing TCP to carry out the single HTTP response and to the text of the Bill of Rights. So we're going to be done with retrieve long document, and we move to HTML document with embedded objects.